welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be swatching these Anaiia Acrylics, and these are her new collection, you guys. So she did give me a discount code for you guys if you guys are interested, and the coupon code is Laura10 and you'd save 10% off. So that's awesome. And I'm going to go ahead and do the first color, and this one's a number 41. So let me kind of move this. I just want to make sure I stay in not focus, but in frame. Okay. So grab some of the color, remove some of the excess, and I like to do it on the top so I can see how it looks. Because some people just like to swatch the bottom, but you can't really tell the consistency that way. And if I do say so myself, these have a very nice, rich, buttery, easy to manipulate type of consistency. Look at that, I barely did any work. Right there, that goes the red. That's a beautiful color. That's a nice true red. If you guys want to see it, that's beautiful. And that was number 41. 42. So this looks like a blue color. I'm not sure what type of blue. I do have a blue from her, but I don't know if it's the same one as this. I can't wait to use these. I love these colors. Okay. So remove some excess there. And as you guys could see too, they don't marbleize. Let it fall. It's a nice color right here. All right, that's number 42. I'll be leaving her website in the description box down below as well. Okay, so this is number 43. Grab another stick here. Probably have to do two. I didn't grab too much, so I might have to do two swatches there. Or two beads, I mean. Yeah, I really love her consistency with her acrylics. They're super buttery, and they don't marbleize to me at all. As far as this collection, I don't see any marbling, and they're very, very pigmented colors. Okay, so that's that color, number 43. This is number 44, and I'm excited to try this one out. Because purples, you guys know how difficult it is to find purple ones. That's so pretty right there. I love that color. Next one is number 45. A Christmassy glittery red. And it's also going to be perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. Yeah, this acrylic moves super smooth. Super duper smooth. I didn't add too much in the beginning, so let me add a little more. Oh, I love this. I'm definitely using this on my set coming up for Christmas. That is so pretty. Number 46. This is the color that I'm super excited to use. I might do this color right after my Christmas theme because I love how this looks. Oh wow, there's so much glitter in this one. Let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, I love this color. There's like a little hint of green. Love it. It's like a nice aqua tealish, not even teal, but more like aqua colored with a hint of green. That color is everything. This is one of my favorites now. Actually, this is my top one. This is not my number one, and then that red one so far. Maybe I'll rate them afterwards, because what if I see another one that I like? That's what it looks like. Oh, wow. So pretty. This one is 40, I believe it's 47. Yes. Okay, so this is number 47, and I feel excited to use this one because it looks like a kind of minty green for a glitter, which is different. Oh, wow, and it has silver in it. Look at that. I really can't wait to use these on clients. I feel like they're gonna love these. But yeah, guys, here's the color before I forget. A beautiful color. 48. And, ooh, looks like a purple glitter. I think this will be enough for the whole thing. So I'm letting it go down. Beautiful purple glittery color. That's nice. Okay, the last one is 49. Ooh, another perfect color for Christmas. If you want to do like a white winter wonderland type of thing. So, I don't know. Now I kind of want to do a white winter wonderland type of thing because of this. This is making it difficult to choose. Comment down below what you guys think I should do. Should I do the traditional red for my nails, or should I do like a winter wonderland with this beautiful silver? This is hard. Or I can incorporate this with the red. Wow, these glitters are on another level. They're so pretty. A little bit more. That is so pretty. I kind of feel like maybe I should do 2 sets of Christmas nails because I can't pick. Christmas is in 2 weeks, so I can always just do a set now, actually, and then change it up right before Christmas. I think I'm going to have to do that. so I can get 2 sets out of this. Well, that's what they look like, you guys. What do you guys think? They are so pretty. Comment down below which color was your favorite, you guys. I honestly love them all, but if I had to choose my favorite, it would be this beautiful silver right here. This one, of course, and this one because they're similar in color. And I would say this red right here, because these, for some reason, I just feel like these glitters are so strong and bright. There's like, I have not seen any glitters this glittery. Unless I'm just so fascinated by them. They're just so pretty. Okay, guys, just save 10% off the website. You can go to her website, and I will leave it in the link in the description box down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more content, you guys, and I am going to be doing a notification shout out right now. All right, guys, so today's notification shout out goes to Natalie Valencia. Thank you, Natalie, for commenting. I asked you guys in my last little blog for some advice, and you guys have been giving me some really good advice, and I feel like everybody is saying the same thing. So I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. You guys are my little best friends. Thank you, Natalie, for your advice, and I feel like I'm doing the right thing now, knowing what you, well, now seeing you guys' advice and hearing you guys out. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for your advice. I'm really glad it's making me think that I've made the right decision, and I appreciate it all. Thank you again to everybody that commented in my last vlog. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and put your notification bell button on so that you can be the next notification shout out. Love you guys so much, and as always, God bless you all. God protect you all from all of these bad things out there right now, especially with the pandemic. But yeah, love you guys. God bless you always. Bye bye.